And we are recording September 27th, Sunday, 11:38. How are all you doing? Today, I'm gonna give a heads up to everyone on simple little cool thing that I learned from Steffi No, YouTuber with over almost 500 subscribers. Look at her cool little youtube.com/channel, C for channel, /Steffi Knows. So her, my good friend Steph, good mentor of mine, she has, on top of her Instagram and her YouTube, one thing that she has that I don't have yet is a cool customized YouTube channel link. So I asked her, how did you set that up? And that is the answer. So let's click it and let's give it a go right now. Okay, so I'm reading these instructions for the very first time. And there you go, custom URL eligibility. To create a custom URL, you must have 100 or more subscribers, be at least 30 days old, so it can't be a completely new YouTube channel, and then have an uploaded photo as a channel icon, and have uploaded channel art. So those are all cool sounding. So I will go play around with the settings by clicking, it looks like, let's try this link. Now keep in mind, I have right here, I have YouTube Studios, and then obviously I have YouTube. So I don't know what's gonna happen if I click this link, but we'll find out together. Sign in. This is Fat Cat Productions. Feel free to email me at any time. I'm gonna punch in my password. I hope you guys didn't see that. Looks like we're waiting for the system to catch up a little bit. Yeah. Welcome to my Fat Cat Productions YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. I am on a journey to launch my small business, and I'm super excited to be sharing with all of you my adventures, because as I learned how to build up my business, which part of the marketing involves YouTube and TikTok, and utilizing all the technology that's available to us, I hope to, basically hope to be able to take advantage of that into a e-commerce business opportunity. Complete with exciting products, but most importantly, this YouTube channel is just created as a way for me to connect with like-minded individuals. So since I have you all here, let's just pop open my little. So again, thank you for Steffi Knows, Stephanie No from San Jose, with her awesome videos. I'm gonna jump in my studio real quick. Sorry, not studio. I'm gonna jump into my channel real quick. Fat Cat Productions. My second video, I talked about creating an LLC. My third video is opening a business bank account, because I needed to there's benefits to creating a business checking account and then linking it with a business credit card for me to do FBA sales on Amazon. Number 4 is how to build a lifelong customer relationship. That is from my good friend Joey Finro, part of Keller Williams here in Irvine. Keller Williams Irvine. Video 5 is a short video on uploading a 2-minute clip onto YouTube, which I did for my mayoral campaign. Number 6 is again politics related, where I filed paperwork with the city of Irvine, so you can pay attention to my trip out there. And number 7 again is a conversation I had with Steffi Goes. So again, please check out her channel, please like and subscribe. Doing some pretty good stuff, introducing some yummy foods and great boba places up in Bay Area in the South Bay. Number 8 is I checked out a cool spot called Rodeo 39 Market. September 25th. Number 9 is I was able to go and print some pretty professional looking poster boards from Costco for a very pretty look at that. That's gorgeous. So really you can't beat that professional poster board for your small business. And this morning I uploaded how to do a YouTube thumbnail art direct from your phone and only using Canva, the free app for Androids and Apple. So that is it for me. I am signing off. This is the CEO of Fat Cat Productions. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, and please comment if you have a YouTube channel. Yes, please comment if you have a YouTube channel. I love to check out your materials. I love to collaborate, and I love to put it on mine because I just created it last week, and obviously the name of the game is getting exposure out. So Fat Cat Productions signing off in 3, 2, 1.